Okay, let's see this code here, and this little script makes you grab the screen and copy to the clipboard. So let's say, let's go on Google Chrome, and for example, let's take any image here, and let's say we want to grab this part of the screen. So I launch this program and a little Tkinter window here appears. If you click on this image, now once you click it, you can now click on two parts of the image. Now if I have to click somewhere where there is not a link, because otherwise it will bring me to that link. So I'm clicking here where is the arrow, and where is the other arrow without clicking here where is the little hand. So I click here, now nothing happens. I click it on top left and then on the bottom right. Now if I go here in a Word document, let me delete this thing. Let's see if it's in the clipboard. So I'm gonna do paste. There it is. This has been taken from the clipboard. So, and I could go, for example, click on this and this, and now there is an error maybe. Let me see if, okay, now it didn't work for some reason. Let me see here. The value error is the box here. B-box x2, okay, it's minus then x2. It's because probably let me see, let me get, okay, now I click it once you clicked, okay, there is another error here because I have to understand that I need to click once and twice. Okay, let me restart because for some reason, okay, now I click here, then I click here and here. Okay, now there is no error, and in fact here is our screen capture. Let me see if I can do it again and select an image from here, one, and another one I want to capture, and two. Let me see if there is an error. Yes, there is an error because, okay, and I understand if I do it twice, maybe I have to, because I made it just for doing it just once. So because, okay, we have this listener stop and sys exit, and we don't want this to happen. Let me put this under here when we close the window. And then let me see. Okay, grab x1, x2 equal 1, plus 1, and then I must also do click equal 0. I think. Let me try. Okay, now I grab the image. Now I want to take this part here of the screen. Where is this text? Oh, okay, here it is. Okay, this was the text I don't know why we can't. It should have been more. Let me. Okay, now it doesn't. Okay, there is an error probably. Let me see what happened. And maybe I got to do the listener stuff, maybe. Let me try again. So now let me copy something from here. Wanna grab this image here. And let me paste it here. So let me delete this stuff. Okay, this is the image. Now let me see if I can do it twice. Now I want to copy this with this text. So I want to now make another copy of this image. Let me go here and here. Let me see if there is an error. Maybe not. Let me paste it here. No, it doesn't. I get no error, but it did not copy it, this part. Let me try again. Nope, it's always the same one. Let me close it, go back here and see. Okay, if pressed, if click equals 0 and click equal 1, else. So if click is not equal 0. Okay, I forget to put click 1 here. Maybe that was the mistake. Okay, let me go back here and let me copy now this heart here and a part of this flower. Okay, now let me see if I can grab something else. The mushroom here. Okay, so now it works fine. The only thing that I would like to add is to make a sort of triangle here when we do the second click. But I gotta look how can I do it. Thank you and see you next time.